Hello. Okay, so today I have dragon eggs. I saw them on Facebook and I thought they were really cute, so I wanted to see what they were about. I ordered two different eggs, two different places, Amazon and Temu. So let's open the one from Temu. Oh, you turn the egg and it opens. So this is the dragon. Ooh, I really like it. This is a red dragon. So I'm playing around with it without showing you. Look at the wings. His tail. I think it was like made with 3D printing. I can't be 100% sure, so don't quote me. Now let's go to the blue. This is the one that I wanted. This is the, it's not really blue, it's like purple. Oh my gosh. Oh, this one doesn't have wings. Oh, he doesn't have wings. He has a beautiful tail. You see how it looks different, the colors? It's like a purplish blue. Very pretty. I do like them a lot. I do like them. I think I wanted wings on mine, but that's okay. He's a wingless dragon. So that was just a quick video today. Oh wait, his wings open. Look at that, his wings open. Now that's a dragon. Although I love my dragon, my wingless one. Okay, anyway, as I was saying, that is it for today. So please be kind to one another always. Be good to each other, be good to yourself. And hope to see you soon.